Hello everyone and welcome back to my new video. And are you getting stuck on your conversation and or your goes blank in your mind when you speak? So this is common problem. It's happen with people, with learner, and as a learner, so it will happen with you. But if you stop you speaking, so never will be solved this problem. And there are a lot of things we can include on our conversation. And it's happened when I was making conversation with foreigner, suddenly asked me a question, any particular topic, but I didn't have like that general idea of that topic, because a complicated topic, general topic we can very easily answer, but some topics is really unique and also different. So we feel uncomfortable, and we don't feel expressing power to express ourselves. That is a common thing, and I feel that is and it will fix very soon. And if you are a learner of English, and if you are consistent, so definitely this problem will be fixed. For that you have to do some work, and you have to read every day. And that's why there are 4 steps we follow for learning English: listening, writing, speaking, and what to say, and what is another one I'm not getting. Goes blank, mind goes blank, and that's also another that's also common thing, and I also goes blank in my mind. So this is not problem, this is simple easy thing, and you can very easily overcome this problem, and if you have like that mentality. So this is common problem. So finally, and if I want to say about this, and we have to read a lot, and we have to listen a lot, because if you compromise with those are things, with those these are concepts, so we have to have survive with our expressing power. So if you want to boost your expressing power, so definitely speaking is one of the best important, and also and reading. And there isn't any kinds of shortcut method for you. So just speak a lot, and speak with yourself, and every single day commit yourself, and don't forget to share with your feeling with others, because if you don't express yourself, never will be easy, and never will be fixed your problem. And one day this kinds of problem will be fixed, and if you are consistent and persistent. So that's why, and I do mistake, and I feel, and I have to become good at. That's why I never give up. And if you have like this commitment with yourself, and you want to give up, so definitely one day the problem you are suffering, and that will fix forever. So thank you, have a nice day every single day. And I have to become good at for myself, that's why, and I have to practice, and I have to record yourself, that's why I upload. And if you are watching this video, subscribe and follow us, because and I do practice for my improvement. And how do you improve? Never forget to subscribe, never forget to comment in the comment section. Have a nice day, see you for the another one, and bye bye for the today's lesson.